So good morning, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Very good morning. Very good morning. Let us wait for a while. Shall resume our session. Okay, good morning. Right. Okay, let us start. So all of you watch the previous videos also. The playlist is available in our YouTube channel. Because examination date have been announced, definitely Eamcet examination will be conducted for both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana states. So better you go through the previous videos also. So now start the preparation today onwards. You need to prepare, right? Right. So good morning. Probability seven. Right. Question number 49. Question number 49. The sum of two natural numbers. Two natural numbers. A and B is known to be equal to 100. The probability that their product being greater than 1600 is equal to first option 20/33, second one is 58/99, third one is 13/33, fourth one is 59/49. No problem. Even you can watch offline also. The sum of the two natural numbers A and B is known to be 100. The sum of the two natural numbers known to be 100. Then the probability that their product is being greater than 1600. Their product being greater than 1600. So that means two natural numbers are A and B sum A plus B is equal to 100. So what are the possible numbers whose sum of the natural numbers is 100? So that is actually 1 comma 99, 2 comma 98, 3 comma 97, 4 comma 96 and so on dash dash 99 comma 1. So there will be actually 99 order pairs. Possible cases we will get it. That is n of s. N of s is equal to 99. Now next the product is being greater than 1600. Product means A into B must be greater than 1600. Now we need to find out how many such order pairs are there whose product will be greater than 1600. So that will be the favorable cases. So favorable cases by total cases is our answer. So let us do this problem. This is a concept based question absolutely. So this problem can be done using the concept based also solution. So given that A plus B is equal to 100 given, A belongs to natural number and B belongs to natural number. Both are natural numbers only. Both are natural numbers. That's why A plus B is equal to 100. We need to select the two numbers whose sum is equal to 100. Two natural numbers. That means sample space contains these kind of elements. A1, B99. One possibility. A2, B98. A3, B97 and so on dash dash A98, B2, A99, B1. So these are the cases. Just see the first coordinates of the each order pair 1, 2, 3, 98, so on 99. There are 99. That's a very easy manner we can write n of s is equal to 99. For this problem, total number of outcomes is equal to 99. Next, what is the next condition? See, product being greater than 1600. Product being greater than 1600 means we have AB is greater than 1600. See, since A plus B is equal to 100, we can write B is equal to 100 minus A. Let us substitute here. A times 100 minus A greater than 1600. So now 100 times A, just open the bracket, minus A square greater than 1600. Multiply with the minus sign. A square minus 100A less than minus 1600. So this we can write A square minus 100A plus 1600 is less than 0. So now we need to solve this one. See, this we can write product 80 into 20. That means we can write minus 80 into minus 20. That means the middle term we can split as like this. A square minus 80A minus 20A plus 1600 less than A. A common, we have A minus 80 minus 20 common, we have A minus 80 less than 0. So A minus 80 into A minus 20 less than 0. That means here critical values are A is equal to 20, 80. So now you can take the number line. So wavy curvy method you can find out. For example, say this is 20, this is 80, this will be plus infinity, this is minus infinity. So now the sign scheme start with actually here A square coefficient is positive. Actually here we have plus sign and minus sign and plus sign. So less than 0 means actually this one negative. Negative means actually here to here we need to consider. This area we need to consider. That means 20 to 30. Therefore 20 less than A less than 80. That implies A values will be natural numbers. You check it. A is the natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? You will get it now: 21, 22, 23 and so on up to 79. How many such A values are there? For each A value there exists B value also, because the product, whose product will be what now? Greater than this condition, this subject to condition 1600. So that means actually A and B both have the same corresponding value. Here also B, for this corresponding value is actually how much you will be getting? This is 100 means 80, 79. This is 78. Like that there will exist. And this will be 21. So therefore here you can write n of E equals to, let us say that is the event. Getting this AB greater than 100 is equal to, say event is E. So n of E is equal to 79 minus 21 plus 1 right off. 79 plus 21 is equal to how much? That is 79 minus 21 is equal to 58. So 59. So we need to find out the probability. So P of E equals to, we can write n of E upon n of S. So n of E is equal to 59, whereas n of S is equal to 99. So 59 upon 99 is the our required answer. Just check it this way. Not 58, 59, because you count it 21 to 79. Very easy method. They are in arithmetic progression. Last term minus first term by common difference plus 1. Add. Always you get the number of numbers. So this is the question. Absolutely, this is the concept based question. Question number 50. Let x is equal to 33 to the power of n. The index or exponent. The index n is a positive integer. Positive integer. That means natural number only. Positive integer. Positive integer value at random. At random means we do not know. The value may be changes, n value. The probability that the value of x will have 3 in the unit place. 3 in the unit place is 1 upon 4, second 1 upon 2, third 1 upon 3, fourth none. Okay, let me read the question. First of all, look at the question and understand the question, then easily we can solve this problem, we can crack the problem. This is also concept based question. If you know the concept, easily we can solve this problem. See, x is equal to, x is a number 33 to the power of n. N may be 1, 2, 3, any number you can take it. here n is a positive integer value at random. The probability that the value of x, in which 3 actually will be the in the unit place. I forgotten actually the question. You check it. Unit place need to be written. I forgotten. 1 minute. Let me write once again. Unit place. Unit place is, it occupies unit place. So that means first of all, the unit place depends upon this unit place power, 3 to the power of power. So that means random values, let us give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. See, you get like this. For example, 3 to the power of 1, you get 3. 3 square, you get 9 unit place. 3 cube, you get 27. But unit place we need to check it. Later you may check. 3 power 4 is 81. 81 means again after 4, 3 to the power of 5 also. Here important step. What do you get? 243. Again 3 appears. So that means here 4 is called period. After 4 times again 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 power is 8. You will be getting again 3. Understood now? So that means only 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means in the unit place possible values you check it now. What are the possible values in unit place you will be getting? That's very important now. So 3 should be unit place means here 3 unit place 3 may be there, 9 may be there, 7 may be there and 1 may be there. Only these 4 possibilities are there for the unit place for any value of n belongs to n in the expansion of 33 to the power of n in this number. So that's why favorable cases are 1, 7, 3. Out of this 3 will be unit place only one chance. That's why 1 by 4 is the probability. So now you need to write now here. Solution n of s is equal to number of possible values assigned in the unit place of x, number x. That is actually here see 4, because since s equals to, we can write like this 1, 3, 7, 9 only. Now here e means in the unit place 3 should come. Only 3 means 3 should come means only 1 is there. That's why n of e equals to 1. P of e is equal to, rest of the part easily you can do, n of e upon n of s. So 1 upon 4. First option is the right option. #51. So Mr. Gangadhar Rao Mokarla, which software you are using to write on the desktop? That is the Microsoft General. So I tried the many softwares. I have many softwares with me. All are freely available. No problem. You can make use of that one. 3 integers are selected simultaneously from the set of from the set of integers from the set of integers 1 2 3 4 dash dash 50, the probability that the selected numbers are consecutive means in serial order, or consecutive is equal to right. First option 9 upon 25 times 49. Second option 6 upon 25 times 49. Third one 3 upon 25 times 49. Fourth one is none. This is the question. No problem. Even you can watch see offline session also. See, all of you just like, subscribe and share. So that is the encouragement expected from you, and I don't expect money from you. I don't ask anything. It's a free classes. Even though free classes, but you won't give any feedback, and simply you will watch and go. That's all. So that need to be done. Understood now? Next time I don't ask again. I don't remind you. 3 integers are selected simultaneously from the set of integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 50. The probability that the selected numbers are consecutive. So this is the first part of the problem. What is the first part of the problem? The 3 integers are selected at random from the set of the integers 1 to 50. So that means the number of ways of selecting 3 integers from 50. So that can be done 50 C3 ways. That is n of s. That's the first part of the problem. So as far as the second part of the problem is concerned, the second part of the problem, actually from that we get favorable cases. So what is the condition is imposed on the second part of the problem? The selected numbers must be consecutive. Consecutive means the numbers may be like this: triplets 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, and so on, even up to like that. Next 48, 49, 50. 48, 49, 50. So there will be such triplets will exist. In that, actually this condition will be satisfied, so that the selected 3 numbers will be consecutive. This is a plan. So that means very simple. We need to visualize all these things directly. We can write in the examination also. So that is nothing but total 49 consecutive 3 integers we will get it out of 50 C3. So 48 upon 50 C3 is the answer. But I need to visualize all these things. Whatever we have visualized, we need to write on the paper, isn't it now? So sir, why you decrease the sessions? So that is the sometime technical problems. Actually I decreased the sessions. I engaged with other activities, so that I decreased the sessions. Don't worry. So because the examination dates has been announced, so that our classes will be, at least 1 hour classes will be continued. So today In 4:30 session I will discuss theory of equations also, introduction part. Right. 51 solution. 51 solution. Though you know the answer, let us do it now. So n of s equals to the number of ways of selecting three integers from 1 to 50, that is 50 C3, that we can write 50 times 49 times 48 upon 3 into 2 into 1, 6 8 ja. So that is what you can write, 50 times 49 times 8. You keep like this only. Next, let E be the event of getting selected numbers or consecutive. So that implies the sample points in E are 1 2 3 consecutive, 2 3 4 consecutive, 3 4 5 consecutive, and so on, 48 49 50. So how to count these triplets? It's very simple logic is there. First starting 1 2 3 48. There are 48. That means we can write n of E equals to 48. 48. So now we need to find out P of E. P of E equals to n of E upon n of S. N of E. N of E is 48 upon 50 times 49 times 8. So now let us do the calculations. 8 1 ja, 8 6 ja, 2 25 ja, 2 3 ja. So we have 3 upon 25 times 49. You can multiply or you check the given problem. 3 upon 25 by 49. Right. So I suggest all of you, because actually sets dates have been announced by our respective Telangana government. So better today onwards once again start preparation, serious preparation. Daily at least 1 or 2 chapters, at least basic videos or 2-3 videos once again watch from our SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Even suggest your friends too. You need to share it. Because as the date has been announced, I will continue the classes. Definitely I will continue the classes. 52. Question number 52. Question number 52. The probabilities the probabilities of solving a problem by three students A comma B comma C independently are 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. The probability that problem will be solved is first option 1 upon 60, second option 3 upon 5, third option 48 upon 60, fourth option 57 upon 60. See, this problem is actually IPE question itself only, board examination question. It may be NCRT, whatever examination. This question is compulsory question. Throughout India, any competitive entrance examination, this question will be asked. This is very, very important question. You need to remember this question. So, some more models on this one also we need to practice it. That I give a lot of practice on these type of questions. Don't worry, because important problems. Right. The probability of solving a problem by the three students named A comma B comma C independently. This is a keyword. Independently is are 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. The probability that the problem will be solved is. So now what is given means here actually what is given by in this one means the probability of solving the problems by three students independently. That means let us say A be the event of solving a problem by A, B be the event of solving a problem by B. In the similar fashion, C be the event of solving a problem by C. That means P of A given, P of B given, P of C given. Independently word means keyword. A comma B comma C are independent events. The probability that problem will be solved. Problem will be solved means I have given one problem to you in the classroom for three students. You solve that problem. I have given instruction to solve that one. That means either A solve the problem, or B solve the problem, or C solve the problem, or three of them will solve the problem. But I need the solution, that's all. That means what we need to find out means either A or B or C. In mathematical language of mathematics, that can be written as A union B union C. But we need to find out P of A union B union C. So let us solve it now. Now the solution here given P of A equals to 1 upon 3, P of B equals to 1 upon 4, P of C equals to 1 upon 5. P of problem will be solved. Problem will be solved. That is equal to P of A union B union C. This we can write 1 minus P of A union B union C whole bar. Using De Morgan law, this can be written P minus P of A bar intersection B bar intersection C bar. And one more, this keyword is there, independently. Independently means A comma B comma C are independent events. Here write down A comma B comma C are independent. This is the keyword. So without this keyword we cannot solve it. This is the keyword to the problem. So if A, B, C are independent, so A bar, B bar, C bar also independent. So if you take P of A intersection B intersection C means that condition means 3 must solve the problem. But that condition is not given. Problem will be solved. You remember Venkateshwarlu. So now this can be written 1 minus, we can write, this can, since they are independent, P of A bar into P of B bar into P of C bar. So that means now we can solve this problem now like this. 1 minus P of A bar means 1 minus P of A. This is 1 minus P of B. P of B bar is equal to P of C bar is equal to 1 minus P of C. So respective values we need to substitute it now. So let us substitute the respective values. So therefore we can solve in this page itself only. So required probability P of A union B union C equals to, we can write 1 minus of 1 by 3, 2 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4 times 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5. Here 3 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled. 1 minus 2 upon 5, that will be 3 upon 5. So second option is the right option. P of A intersection B intersection C means 3 must solve. That condition is not given. Problem should be solved. That's all. Either A or B or C. Don't consider P of A intersection B intersection C. Here one more thing also remember. A bar, B bar, C bar are also independent. So we applied this multiplication theorem. This is very, very important problem. So all of you remember like this. (53) the odds against A solving problem are 8 to 6, and the odds in favor of in favor of in favor of B solving the same problem, solving the same problem, same problem, or 14 to 10. The probability the probability the probability of solving the problem if they both try is, just you think your classroom situation, if your lecturer actually might have given the one question to solve, you all of can may not solve. For example, anyone, or either one or two or three persons or four persons, like that, right? First option 16 upon 21. These type of questions are very, very important. Definitely one question will appear from this area. Second is 5 upon 21. Today is very important problems have been discussing. 4 upon 21. Fourth one is 1 upon 3. Right. Odds against A solving the problem are 8 to 6, and odds in favor of B solving the same problem are 14 to 10. The probability of solving the problem if they both try, that means the probability that the problem should be solved. Solved means either A or B. Okay. So now here actually the problem we need to divide into the three segments or three parts. What is the first part means? Odds against A solving the problem are 8 to 6 is given. Odds against A is 8 is to 6 given. That means we need to find out P of A. And second part is, as far as second part is concerned, odds in favor of B is given. That means we need to find out P of B. Because the two persons are different persons, this do the problem independently only. That means indirectly in the problem is given that if you consider A comma B are the events, as far as the problem is concerned, the A comma B are treated to be independent events. And now the probability that problem will be solved is P of A union B we need to find out. P of A union B means we can write 1 minus P of A union B whole bar, 1 minus P of A bar intersection B bar, and so that whatever method in the 52nd we adopted, that same method need to be adopted. So this the strategy need to be followed this problem. Whenever any problem is there, please visualize in such a manner. Everything whatever visualization in our mind is there, I explain to you. But you need to think for each and every problem in such a way while attempting in your examination. So this need to be kept in your mind. So 53rd question. 53rd question. Solution. See, let me discuss once again the concept here. First concept you might have forgotten. This concept we need to make use of. What is the concept means? Odds against A or A is to B, for example. Therefore, P of A equals to, you can write like this, B upon A plus B. This first concept we need to use. The second concept we need to make use of, odds in favor of B, or say A is to B, for example. Then P of B is equal to first part of the ratio by sum of the parts, A upon A plus B. So keeping U of this, we can solve this problem. So now odds against A are 8 is to 6. Now you check it. Therefore, from this first concept, the P of A we can write B means this 6 upon 8 plus 6, 6 upon 14. Now we can write 2 3 ja, 2 7 ja, 3 upon 7. So next, odds in favor of B are, what is given in the problem, 14 is to 10. Then you check this condition. Yes. Therefore, P of B equals to, we can write, now you need to take first, see, A upon A plus B, 14 upon 14 plus 10, that is 14 upon 24. Now cancellation, 2 7 ja, 2 12 ja, 7 upon 12. Now we know A comma B both. Here actually, according to the problem, A comma B are independent, because they do separately, independently itself only. Now the problem should be solved. That we need to find out. We need to find out P of problem is solved. That means P of A union B. Using De Morgan law, this can be written, or complement events, that is 1 minus P of A union B bar. That we can write 1 minus P of A bar intersection B bar. So now you remember, independent, A comma B are independent, A bar comma B bar are independent. So now this we can write 1 minus, using multiplication theorem, this we can write P of A bar into P of B bar. Now P of A bar. P of A bar is equal to C. What do you get? P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A. 1 minus 3 by 7 means 4 by 7. P of B bar is equal to, can I write 12 minus 7? 5 by 12. So we need to make use of 4 by 7 and 5 by 12. That is 1 minus 4 upon 7 into 5 upon 12. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. 1 minus 5 upon 21. Very simple. 21 minus 5. 21 minus 5 is 16. 16 upon 21. 16 upon 21. So all of you check your answer. Kumar, we should not say like that dates are real or fake. So as far as yesterday information, so that might be, they will decide, they will take care of you people, isn't it now? So actually we should not say like that. Right. Okay. But I already told you, but I am little bit so in August or September onwards, actually I will be little bit busy with other activities, so I may not concentrate more on your classes. That's why my classes are confined to 1 hour or 1.5 hour, like that itself only. So one more thing you remember, okay? If possible, I will try my level best to continue the classes in the evening session also. Okay, definitely. Evening session means 4:30 if everything is good, because actually sometimes we may face power cut problems also, technical issues also. Then at that time it is inevitable to postpone my classes. So tomorrow also I will try to take the class in the morning session itself only, and besides other classes I will try. Random variables already completed Sumant. It's available in our playlist. Random variables. Sumant. Random variables very clearly, crystal clear, with shortcuts I explained. Go to the Eamcet playlist, that is available to you. Don't worry. So once again, all of you start preparation today onwards. Serious preparation you need to do it. At least 8 to 9 hours you need to engage. Besides watching the classes or once again revising, because actually you might have forgotten all the chapters also. From trigonometric ratios to whatever chapter is continuing. Continuing chapter, leave it. You need not prepare, because the examinations are so near. So other chapters once again watch from our playlist in the leisure time. At least some important questions just you watch in that one. So that you need to do it, all of you. APMC date so far, actually that is September onwards, only in the month of September. But we haven't received any authentic information from Andhra Pradesh. Unless I get the authentic information only, I will disclose during the this my live session classes, live streaming sessions. Yes, it might be September 3rd week. But don't worry, moreover, in the month of September, all the sets will be completed, I think so, as far as my knowledge is concerned. So next question, actually, the next I have other session. So that's why I'm going to conclude this session itself only. So I will continue in the next class. See you. Bye bye. But moreover, just I have 4 minutes time. In the 4 minutes time, you can have any doubts regarding. So we shall have a discussion, interaction. That's only. Direct and indirect chapter చెప్పండి. What is the direct and indirect chapter? I don't have the idea. What is the name of direct and indirect? What is an indirect chapter? I didn't get it. Once again, you type it. So you check. You need to check it. You need to check it. Yes. Vectors also I will discuss. Well, I'll give the notification. Don't worry, Peru Ramya. I will give the notification. I will give the notification. Stay tuned. I check your interest also. Yes, arts in favor of B. B by A plus B only I have taken, I think so. Arts in favor of B, we should not take B by A plus B. A by A plus B only we need to take. Theory of equations. You might have attended, watched other YouTube channels also. Avinash Shavi, I think so. So yes, statistics is very easy chapter. Don't worry. Thank you. Happy Krishnastami to you all. Thank you.